Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al Basir. This is a very special name that helps us understand more about Allah and why He is so amazing. Let's discover together what this wonderful name means and why it's important for us to know it. Al Basir means the all seeing. This tells us that Allah can see everything, everywhere, at all times. Unlike us, who can only see what's in front of our eyes, Allah's sight is perfect and complete. Nothing is ever hidden from Allah. He sees everything clearly, no matter where it is or what time it is. Think about all the beautiful things in nature that Allah sees. Right now, Allah sees every bird soaring high up in the bright blue sky. He sees every flower as it slowly grows and blooms in gardens all around the world. And deep down in the ocean, Allah sees all the colorful fish swimming through the blue waters. Allah sees all of these wonderful things at the same time. Allah also sees when we do good deeds. When you help your mother carry the groceries, Allah sees that. When you share your favorite toys with your friends, Allah sees your kindness. When you help an elderly person or say nice words to someone who is sad, Allah sees all of these beautiful actions. Every good deed you do, no matter how small, is seen by Allah. Did you know that Allah can see things that are too small or too far away for our eyes to see? Allah sees tiny ants as they walk across the ground, carrying food back to their homes. He sees all the bright stars twinkling far, far away in space. And He even sees the mysterious creatures swimming in the deepest parts of the ocean where no light can reach. Nothing is too small or too far for Allah to see. Allah watches over us with so much love and care. Just like how your parents watch over you to make sure you're safe and happy, Allah is always watching over all of us. But Allah's care is even greater than our parents' care because Allah never gets tired or distracted. His loving watch over us never stops. Remember, children, that Allah sees you with love and kindness. When you're doing good things like helping your family, being kind to others, or telling the truth, Allah sees all of it. This should make you happy and encourage you to do even more good deeds, knowing that Allah is watching and is pleased with your good actions. So whenever you feel alone or scared, remember that Allah sees you and is always watching over you with care and love. You are never truly alone because Al-Basir, the all-seeing, is always there, seeing everything you do and keeping you safe. This is why we feel peaceful and protected knowing that Allah Al-Basir is watching over us with His perfect sight and endless love.